Machinery. Now we are in Playstar packing machinery in booth in the hall number 5. This is Jackie from Playstar Machinery.
Hi.
Okay, today we are cooperating in this exhibition. So in the following time, I would like to ask Jackie to introduce about their extruding machines.
Okay, thank you, Elf. Okay, now let me introduce my machine. This machine is a 5-layer blown film machine. The maximum width is 2.4 meter, and the maximum film width is 2.2 meter. Now this machine total height is 13.5 meter. The thickness is from 20 micron to 200 micron. The maximum extrusion output can be 100 kilo per hour, and the real capacity can reach 600 kilo per hour. Now let me show you one by one.
Yeah, let's go.
First of all, this is the 5 extruders. 5 extruders, 5 screws. This screw diameter of 25 millimeter, and this is a direct link. That means main motor and the gearbox. That is a direct link. It can make it more powerful and fast. This main motor is a Siemens brand from Germany. It is more stable. And this is a Samlam from Taiwan. It is all bearings is SKF from Sweden. This is more stable and less noise. So this can make the extrusion stably, completely. Now let's check. In the general time, the screws we use water circulation, but this time we improved. We use this mold temperature machine. That is for all oil circulation. This can make the temperature constantly between 40 to 60 centigrade, and it can avoid the disadvantage of rust inside the screw that may be blocked in the future. So, Elf, can you make some details about this mold temperature machine?
Sure, thank you, Jackie. These are the mold temperature controllers from CH Machinery. These two models are oil type mold temperature controller, and all of our pipeline and heaters are used with SS04 series, so that the heating consistency is very good, and the temperature will be very stable. The controller is with PID controller, so that we can provide continuously to provide heating for their extruders. Okay. And at the beginning, our mold temperature controller would make the preheating for their extruders, and in the following time, we keep the temperature stable, so that the production of the fumes will be very constantly and stable. And I think this is the air ring.
Yes, this is the air ring. But we go on for this screen changer first. For the screen changer, generally we have 3 models. One is a manual faster screen changer. Another is hydraulic. This is hydraulic automatic. Another one is non-stop, but the other one is high cost. So we use this hydraulic. It can hydraulic material can save your time. So this one will not block the raw material inside. Now let's come to this die head. This die head is a 5 overlay die head. It can multiple direction to feeding the raw material inside. It will avoid the accumulation of raw material inside. So the products come out will be perfect, without lines, without defects. And this die head we made by ourselves, which has over 20 years experience company. We use a 5-axis processing center to make this die. This processing center is from Germany. This die is big enough. The size is 500 millimeter. So it can have spiral gaps inside. Now let's come to this airing. This airing is automatic airing. This airing, the brand is Plus Control. It is from Germany. It uses the complete set together with a thickness gauge and the blending system and the dosing system. This Plus Control brand, his airing type is air volume type. How to say? For the airing, there is air temperature type and air volume type. This time we use air volume type. If you have many specifications to change, then we suggest this air volume because it changes the specification fast. Then we go up, we check this bubble cage. This bubble cage is full automatic. Automatic down and up, automatic open and close. The guide roller, we use carbon fiber raw material. Its advantage, it's light and cooling down very fast. So also clasping spring, the same raw material. Later I will show you the more details upstairs. Now let's go upstairs.
We are going out upstairs.
Yes.
Okay. But let me talk more about the airing. Jackie, I know that the airing is need to work with the chillers for air cooling, so that the product will be very stable.
Yeah. This is outer cooling.
Yes.
Water chiller or air chiller and the air ring. This is for outer cooling. And we have also inner bubble cooling system.
Inner bubble cooling. In that.
The second floor.
In the bar.
This is a IBC pipe. Later I will introduce detail how this inner bubble cooling together used with the air chiller. So we go upstairs and explain in detail.
Okay.
Go this way.
Okay. You want to be safe, you gotta put on the helmet. Follow you. Watch your hand, ladies. Watch your foot.
Let's go to the thickness gauge first. Also Germany Plus Control brand thickness gauge system. It is used together with the automatic airing. This is one set. For example, you can take a human. This one is like human head. Automatic airing like human hands. This is a non-contact. It will check around the bubble cage point by point.
If you bubbles.
Yes, around the bubbles, point by point. If it discovers anything thickness difference, then it will reflect this signal to the automatic airing. Then automatically air ring will change the thickness itself. This is compared together.
Okay, so it does the quality control for your production.
Yes, yes. So this is the thickness tolerance will reduce half. Now we come to this IBC system. This is the IBC system. IBC system together with the air chiller. This is combined to use together. I explain to you this IBC system. This is the main blower. This is 18.5 kilowatt. That is the inner blower. This is the outer blower. This is both 11 kilowatt. And when inner blower, he will suck the fresh and the cold air inside the bubble, then make the bubble cool enough. Another outer blower will take out the smelly air out through this pipe. So this circulation makes the film quality better, and also output is increased 10 to 20%. Another cooling is use this air chiller.
Air chiller, yes.
Yeah, this air chiller is this is 25 HP. And
25 horsepower.
Yeah. Another detail, I think you can tell me more about it.
Yes, thank you, Jackie. You can see there is a water chiller from our system machinery. This is a standard type of water chiller that it provides cool water, and then you can see there is a water to air exchanger here with the blower, so that cool water comes inside the evaporator over there, and then the blower blows the cool air through the system to make consistent production for the extrusion. And I would like to make the point that this is the standard type of water chiller, but we also make the type that is already with air exchanger, that you don't have to exchange with the water exchanger over there. We can provide directly about the air cooled water cooled air, so that your production line will be more simplified. Okay, I think you can take it over, Jackie.
Thank you. So let's go upstairs.
Hey, Jackie, how many floors here? Then we are now coming to the third floor.
Yeah. Now this is the third floor. This floor is mainly for clasping frame.
Frames.
Yeah, this clasping frame, the main function is make the bubble roll film into sheet film.
Yes.
Yeah, you can check when the bubble cage is round here. When they go upstairs there, it won't be made into sheet. And this is a guide roller. This raw material is carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
Generally, it will use aluminum or wood. But this time we use carbon fiber. As I told you just now, this is light.
It's very light.
You know, as the film itself has weight, so we use this light one to reduce itself weight, and also it's cooling down very fast. The film have temperature is high, so this one will heat dispatching very fast, so make the film quality also better.
Yes.
So this one go upstairs, then become sheet. The top floor we check. That is important things.
For you?
The top floor is a hall of oscillation. That is our rotary system.
Wow, then we are at the top of this hall.
Are they afraid?
At the peak of this fall.
This is the upper rotary system. First I show you its motor, it's servo motor, this one. We use servo motor because they are stable and more sensitive. When this turn around, whole round needed 2 hours and 360 degrees. When they want to turn back, they have a short stop. But this stop will make the film not flat. So we use a servo motor. When this have a 360 degrees, they reverse, turn back immediately, no any stop. So the film flat. And also we use the gear. This gear is a nitrogen hardness is 810 degrees. It is during 72 hours nitrogen treatment. So this gear is very hard. Also all bearings is from Japan and SK brand. Now let's see this roller. This is the air float roller. Has small holes. It will air go out, make this film not completely touch this roller. To make the surface smooth, not scratched. So this also makes the film quality better. So now here it's finished. We go down. Are you afraid?
He of this tall, you can
This cross treatment is from Taiwan, CH brand. The corona treatment, the mainly function is to eliminate the static for easy printing. And this is a double control corona treatment. It will have segment control. This is the minimum segment is 25 millimeter. For example, if you want to print 1 meter and this machine has 2 meter, it can easily to only print 1 meter width. It's okay. So it is a separate control. Okay, now let's go down. Electric cabinet. These are all electric cabinets. You can check. These are all servo motors for obstruction, for blower, all servo motor. And all switch button breaker we all use Schneider brand. France, Schneider. Here, this one is a main inverter. This is from Japan, Yaskawa brand. And this is SS relay from Fortec, Taiwan. This is also Schneider switch button. All brands we use famous. So other two is the same brand. Yeah, this is a new design. Temperature.
Oh, it shows the temperature.
Yeah. Okay, now let's go to the. This is the CPC system. This CPC system is the central type. It can control the two sides for edge correction control. This is the BST, also brand from Germany. This quality is good, famous. This is the down traction. Tick down. This down. We have two auto tensions here, two sides, to make the film more strength. Yeah. This is all slitting knife, and this is the edge trimming knife. This is the slitting knife. Finally, we go to check the winders. This winder is a central type, back to back. Central type winder. Comparing with the surface friction winder, its advantage, it can go separately by itself. You can check this motor. Normally for this air shaft, now this one motor can make it run by itself. It can separately not touch with this big roller. So the film surface will become more smooth and better. No scratch. Yeah, this is a big advantage. And the precision is more and more. Yeah, this is a motor. And this time we use 6-inch air shaft. Generally we use 3-inch. We use a big one to make the film less waste, and also make the film quality much better and flat. We check this one, this type. This is the H type steel. Its size is a 400 millimeter length and 400 millimeter width. The thickness is 20 micron. Yeah. So this makes the whole machine very stable. You have more than 100 kilo person go upstairs, no any shaking, no worry. So it is stable. So this is also new design. Okay, this is the edge recycle machine. You can check this small one. There is some edge raw material cutting by edge trimming knife. So we have to reuse this one into less waste. Otherwise it will go down. It looks not good and also waste the raw material. So we will reuse it, recycle it. So this is a small equipment. Yeah, it's okay.
I thank you so much for today.
Yes.
So thanks very much for Jackie.
You are welcome.
For our audience, if you're looking for very good quality film extruders, you can find Plastar.
Thank you very much.
And if you are looking for auxiliaries, please look for Station Machinery.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for your time.
Yeah. Thank you also.
See you.
So bye.
Bye.